Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. I hope you're doing so good today. I am drinking my coffee. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today, but I thought I'd make the most of the time because one, I am officially going to be clearing this today, and two, Gary's away. So dropped him at the station this morning. I've taken Echo out for a W and obviously fed her. She's now snoozing on the sofa with her blanket. Now I'm just having a coffee. I've eaten some breakfast, I'm having a coffee, having a bit of chill time, but I'm still feeling a little bit poorly. I woke up, I've got a really bad cough. When it comes on, I just keep coughing, my throat's sore, and I genuinely just don't feel 100%. But obviously because of the baby being pregnant, there's not really much I can take in terms of medication, so I'm trying to naturally let it just get out of my body. But I was feeling unwell last week, at the beginning of last week, and I felt better towards the end, and then yesterday I just kind of again. So I don't know, just this seasonal weather, but it's not COVID, so thank God for that. I think I mentioned in my last vlog, if you haven't watched it or if you've not watched my vlogs before, I will link my last one above for you to go and check out. But this house is obviously now sold, and we still don't have a date for our new house, which is really quite stressful in a way. We're going back and forth with the current owner of the property, and to be quite honest, I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know whether we're going to actually proceed with that purchase, or we're going to try and look for something else. But obviously because this house is now sold, we need to obviously get out this house. We need to obviously give a date for the new owners, so that's just how that is. Yeah, so I've just been kind of going through the motions a bit of trying to get things organised, in the sense whereas I'm just gutting things. We're not yet at a stage where we're going to pack up, but I just want to get rid of anything that I don't no longer need, that somebody else could make use of. I'm a little bit out of breath today. I don't know why. I think it's because my chest is not too great, so apologies for that. Today I'm going to be clearing that, so I thought I would film one last beauty video in front of this backdrop, because I think wherever we move to won't look like this anymore, because I will be changing everything. So yeah, it's quite a bittersweet moment. So I'm going to be doing an autumnal makeup video, although I don't feel like I look all that great today, but there we are. I'm been going through the motions actually at the moment, where I'm not feeling 100% confident in myself. I think it's because obviously all the body changes of the baby, and just in general your hormones change. And yesterday I decided that it's partly like the body changes. It's because I had all my clothes in my drawers and in my wardrobe that just doesn't fit me. Like, I've just got a load of clothes in there that obviously is my pre-baby body outfits. Pre-baby body outfits, say that 10 times. And they don't fit me, so I'm looking at them, I'm like, oh, that's so cute, I really wish I could wear that. But I can't, because it doesn't fit me at the moment. And it's not like, obviously, I will eventually get back into it and all that good stuff, but I decided to gut my wardrobe, packing up part of my wardrobe, especially with clothes that just don't fit. So now everything that's hanging in my wardrobe and everything that's in the drawers are clothes that fit me. And to be quite honest, it was so wonderful this morning waking up and finding outfits that I don't have to try and be like, oh, no, it doesn't fit. I know they all fit, so it's just, yeah, it's a really nice feeling. Anyway, that's 5 minutes of a makeup video that you didn't need to know. Also, I'm trying a new look with this little hair scrunchie. Not quite sure whether it suits me or not quite sure if I like it, but I'm trying it out, and I think it's cute, but I don't know whether I just think it would be cute on somebody else. It's one of those looks where you're like, does it suit me? It could be the jumper, maybe the jumper, maybe I need something a bit lower so you can see more of my neck, so it doesn't look so that it's cold today. So, and I'm not feeling great, obviously. But anyway, also I'm lighting one of my new candles. This is actually one of the ones where the wick didn't align, so I get to keep it myself. But it's a Newson candle that I created myself with my business partner Heather. So I thought I'd light it today just for this video, and I'll link the Instagram here. Obviously I'll link it below, so if you're in the UK and you love home scents, I created a new home scent business. Please go and check it out, support us. The website's coming soon, so at the moment we're still properly launching, but So exciting, and it smells amazing. That one is sandalwood and black pepper, and I love that one. It's very beautiful. Anyway, let's get into this video because that's what you're here for. So I'm just going to be doing a standard, maybe just a little bit more autumnal makeup look for you today. I'm going to just put my hair behind my ears like this. I've already creamed my face. I've got my CeraVe facial moisturising lotion on, and that is it. Put a little bit of lip balm on, which way my lips are probably a different colour slightly. I'm going to, first of all, going with my Fenty Beauty concealer. I use the shade 310. So that's the shade. I love the Fenty Beauty concealer. I've not tried too many Fenty Beauty products, but I do really like their concealer and their tinted moisturiser. It's very lovely for summer. I've got a few blemishes, so I'm just going to kind of cover them up. My skin is so dry at the moment because of the weather, which is not fun at all. It's the weather, it's the time of year. I love autumn, but it does play havoc on my skin. I really have to take the time to do face masks and exfoliate, which I do anyway, but I find that I have to do it a lot more in the autumn winter periods because my skin gets really dehydrated and needs a lot more kind of care. I'm just going to blend that in, and I just obviously pat as I go. If you've watched my makeup videos before, I'm not a makeup artist, so if you've come here for that, I do apologise. I kind of just do makeup my own way, as everyone should, I think. But there is some things that maybe you just should do properly. I always seem to make looks that I personally love, so that's the important thing. Now that's done, I'm actually going to go in with my tinted moisturiser. Usually when I do autumnal makeup looks, I tend to do my eye makeup first. But as I'm not actually going to be doing too much of a big eye makeup look, I'm actually going to go in my tinted moisturiser first. And I use the shade 3W1 Bisque, and this is the Laura Mercier tinted moisturiser. It's the oil-free version. So I love this. This is actually probably my favourite tinted moisturiser right now, and I have many, but I just love it. Take a pea size and I just blend that into my skin. This is just an incredible all year round product, but if you have oily skin, you tend to get an oily T-zone. This doesn't actually impact your oily T-zone. It doesn't for me anyway. I have combination skin. I tend to get an oily nose a lot, but this doesn't actually do anything. It doesn't kind of start making it act up and give me a shiny nose. Right, so now that is done, I'm actually going to do my eyebrows. Told you I don't do things in the right order, I just do them as I feel I need to do them. I'm going to actually use my Refy Brow Gel, and just the brow gel, not the pencil. I've broken this as well, which is so annoying. I don't want darker eyebrows today, I just want them to look more defined. So I'm just going to brush this in and brush my eyebrows up. I did do a boy brow versus Refy review, if you're interested in watching that. I actually love boy brow. I need to pluck my eyebrows, but I've actually run out of my boy brow and I just haven't had the time or money to reinvest. But I do love Refy. Refy is still a brilliant product. It's just a bit more costly, but to be honest, it works. So you'll love either of them that you buy, I'm sure. What I don't like about Refy, honestly, is that you get white marks on your brow where you can see like it looks like glue. So you do need to make sure you keep your brushes clean. Like the brush on the end of here, that's how I know it needs to start getting cleaned, because I mean you can see it anyway because it gets a bit gunky, but you do see it in your brow and it does dry and you can see like bits in your brow, which I hate, but I do love the impact it has on your brows. Like, it makes your brows look good. I'm going to quickly put some Fenty Beauty on my eyelids just to kind of base them. I haven't done a proper makeup tutorial in the longest time. I do get requests for them, but obviously I know I'm not a makeup artist, so I just think, well, people probably go, you know, to the professional makeup artist channels for makeup looks really. I just like to do a lot of product reviews, but I do like to do makeup reviews. But I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I do probably give you a few ideas of tips and tricks you can do just as a makeup novice. Bit of a beauty junkie. I'm actually going to use my Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette today. This is a beautiful palette, and let me show you. And it's perfect for autumn. I really love it. I love the oranges. I think they're really quite zesty, and it will go with this little headband thing I've got going on. What I'm going to do is just go in with a blending brush, and I'm going to take the nudie pink shade in the centre. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Nothing really fancy, just on the lid, like so. And now we're going to use another blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is a more of a deeper orangey shade. I'm only going to take a bit of this because I want to kind of just lightly dust my lid, because I do want to put some eyeliner on, but I do want to add a bit more colour to my eyelids. I'm just going to lightly go into the crease and blend. And then just bring that down a little bit. But I'm only lightly dusting it because I don't want to add too much colour to the lid where it looks too intense. But just enough to kind of add a bit of a difference and some colour to the lid. And there we go, just a really nice light dusting of this eyeshadow. And then what I'm going to do is just add on some black eyeliner, and I'll go in underneath the lid as well using the same orangey colour. For eyeliner, I'm going to use my MAC Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Eyeliner Gel to give just a little bit of a just a thin line by my eyelashes. That's what I want. I'm just going to use like a thin angled brush for this. And I'm not very good at eyeliner, so you have to bear with me for this one. Like so. So literally just the smallest amount, but I do think when you add mascara on, it just gives a bit more depth to your eyelashes. I never do the flick, although I do love eyeliner flicks. I think they're beautiful, but I never can make them even. So they frustrate me, so I don't do them. Like so. So, lovely. Happy with that. Now I'm going to just take a small brush and just do my lower lashes. Taking that orange shade again. And just smoking that out. Now that's done, I'm just going to curl my lashes. I really need to get a new lash curler. I've had this one for so many years. It's crazy. One thing I love doing is getting my lashes lifted, and obviously I can't do that right now. You're not meant to when you're pregnant. But I cannot wait to get them done again after the baby is born. I think it's going to be wonderful to have them done. I don't have to wear mascara, or if I don't want to anyway, or lift my lashes using a lash curler, because it's not exactly my favourite job to do. I can't lie. That, and I think with little man on the way, I can at least then look remotely decent, because I'm sure in the first few weeks, months of his life, I'm going to be trying to get my bearings. I'm just going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara, by the way, and I'm just going to put that on my top lashes, not my lower lashes. I love this mascara. It really kind of spreads your lashes so well, and it works amazing with the lash curler, because obviously where you've lifted your lashes, it really scoops them up again. It's beautiful. This is what the packaging looks like. Very Charlotte Tilbury. Beautiful. Right, now that is all done, my eyes are done, I'm going to go and finish off my cheeks. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some blusher. So I was on and on between my Nude Sticks blusher, which is my everyday in the nude, or Glossier Dusk. And I'm thinking I'm going to go with Glossier Dusk today. Very neutral. And you have to kind of build it up because it's one of those liquid blushers that you just, if you add too much, it looks stupid, in my opinion. So I just add a bit to the back of my hand and use it like a palette. So I'm just going to add that in. But as you can see, it's just a really nice, natural looking blush, but it's perfect for this time of year, where I like a bit more of a vibrant blusher, maybe more in the summer, so they're more pinkier, where this is actually more subtle, more like nude, bronzy, which is beautiful. It goes on so well when you get it right. A lot of people use their fingers with this, but I'm just really not a fan of that, which I think you guys already know. Down, and that is the blusher. So it just adds a bit more colour to my skin. Now I'm going to use some highlighter, and I'm going to go in my trusty Charlotte Tilbury Magic Star highlighter. The stuff has faded off the front, like the glitter, but oh well. That is what that is. But this is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. I'm just going to pop that on my cheekbones. I get so many compliments about this highlighter, and I'm not surprised because it's incredible. I haven't found a highlighter I love more than this, and I have quite a lot. Now for lipstick, because we're almost there. This is the final bit. I was actually unsure which lipstick to wear today, but I've decided to go a bit more in deep. So I'm going to go with my Charlotte Tilbury Super Fabulous lipstick. If you haven't seen my latest review on this, I'll link it above for you so you can check this out. I tried out some of her brand new super nude lipsticks, and this is one of them. I did mention in that video I didn't know what lip liner to wear with it. I've actually found one in my collection, which is a Revolution makeup lip liner, and it's called Echelon. And it's a very similar colour to the lipstick. So yeah, just to let you know if you're looking for a lip liner. Sorry my lovelies, my camera overheated while I'm doing my lip liner. So I've just overdrawn my lips slightly, which you can tell. I look like I've got a little bit of a pout going on, which love that for me. And now I'm just going to go and apply the lipstick. What I really like about that lip liner, by the way, is that honestly, I put it on my hand just to test the shade. I've washed my hands like 3 times and it just hasn't budged. So it's great for overdrawing your lips with, if that's what you're into. I know some people really like to properly overdraw on their lips. I do like to slightly with the nude lips, like nude lipsticks, not with darker lipsticks though, because it just doesn't suit me. And that is the lipstick, my loves. Super quick, probably one of my favourite autumnal lipsticks right now. And this is the final makeup look. It's probably one of my go-tos when I do eventually do my makeup, which does happen on occasion. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!